So what is an NLP practitioner course? Well, it's the first certified level of training that is ideal for you if you're interested in an amazing personal development experience. Or perhaps you're interested in helping others and are into kind of tools or techniques that will enable you to do that should you wish. So why might you want to come and join us on our NLP course? Well, if you're into personal development, then it's the most amazing personal development experience. So many people come on our courses and say that they develop themselves, they get rid of blockages, things that have held them back for years. I, on the course as the lead trainer, literally see people transform before my eyes, and I don't say that lightly. If you're in business, maybe you want to be able to help your team if you're a line manager, or maybe you're a business partner. And sometimes our language just gets in the way. And if you want to be an exquisite communicator and be able to land those messages, then this is definitely a course that you want to think about doing. Maybe you're a business owner. Maybe you know that the growth and success of your business is only limited by you and your thinking. And actually, if you can get rid of limiting beliefs like I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, why would people buy from me? Then you can see how your business would start to transform. Maybe you're already a coach or aspire to be a coach. If you're interested in helping others get results, if you get a buzz from seeing people succeed, then you certainly want to think about joining us. How about sport? Maybe some of you are into sport, and maybe you've already heard a little bit about how many sports professionals use NLP. Imagine you're on the start line of a 100-metre sprint and you're not in the right frame of mind. You need to quickly be able to change that. We can offer you some stuff to help with that. Maybe you're a parent. Maybe you've got kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews. And actually, if you can start them off on the right track, just think how different their life will be. So maybe you're in education. Maybe you're a teacher, lecturer, work at the university, or indeed you're a trainer. Imagine how great it would be to land that learning in a way that works for your learners, in a way that means that they are more likely to hear, retain, and understand the things that you're teaching. I know as a trainer myself, when I learn NLP, I could see the difference in the way that my delegates were learning and the action they took after.
I'd say from a personal point of view, it just gives you such great insights into yourself. You realise really just maybe how many things sometimes are holding you back. And professionally, I think it's always great to have extra skills in your tool set. And you come out, I think, feeling 10 feet taller, which is absolutely wonderful.
I felt a huge personal change. Kind of went in not knowing what I was going in for. Didn't do a huge amount of research beforehand either. So it was a great surprise, and by the end of the prac course, I just felt like a weight had lifted off me. It was just amazing. It was amazing.
There are so many contexts in which you can use NLP, whether it's personally or professionally or both. So if you're interested in changing your thinking and your results, then check out this page. You can come and join us for 7 days in the classroom, and I'll teach you everything that's on the NLP Practitioner syllabus and more. And at the end of that, you'll walk away with a different mindset and stuff you can put into practice straight away. So if that's something that's of interest to you, just imagine how different your life could be. And when you're ready, contact us, and it would be our pleasure to have you on the course and share everything that we can with you.
Definitely do it, and do it with Unleash Your Potential. It'd just be one of the best investments that you actually make. It really, really will.
Contact us at info@unleashyourpotential.org.uk.